Yo, listen up, I got a tale to tell about an email that hit like a digital bombshell. Greetings, it started, got me feeling kinda wild. Said I was one of a kind, hacker style. Seen a lot in his career, now he's impressed. Straight to the point, he put me to the test. Wants to go hack my OS with finesse. Full access to my accounts, I confess. Blackmailing got me trapped in his plan. Demanding Bitcoin ransom, trying to take a stand. $1,280 or he'll expose me. So gotta pay up quick or the whole world sees. Password from the past, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goofy's got the goods, caught me in the mix. Killager on my keys, internet activities. Webcam streams, he's got all the imagery. Frequent visits to sites, adult themes. Infected by malware like a bad dream. Under his microscope, days like a bug. But no bug in the world loves perv porn. He shrugged. So everything on screen, recorded streams, stored them all safe with backup schemes. Emails, chat logs, all confidential. Antivirus failed, it's kinda detrimental. Blackmailing got me trapped in his plan. Demanding Bitcoin ransom, trying to take a stand. $1,280 or he'll expose me. So you gotta pay up quick or the whole world sees. Developers don't care, turned into shit. Hackers like him took advantage of it. Fresh knowledge, he said, don't need a thanks. Serious about security, raise the ranks. Let's cut to the chase, here's the deal. Video compilation, made it real. Left side me, right side the scene. Masturbating happily, it's obscene. 48 hours till he sends it out to all my contacts, no doubt. Emails, chats, all made public. Don't want this, is catastrophic. His Bitcoin address, gotta send it there. Once he gets it, he'll disappear, swear. 48 hours, clock's ticking fast. No fooling him, this deal's gotta last. Share this message of strength real quick. It's in my power to make it slick. P.S. he signed off, keep it nice. Both of us can walk away, no vice. Blackmailing got me trapped in his plan. Demanding Bitcoin ransom, trying to take a stand. $1,280 or he'll expose me. So you gotta pay up quick or the whole world sees.